Put me on the mic and I'm the realest one. When you're on the grind, there ain't no time for love. Got all that I want, I still ain't have enough. These motherfuckers act like they want it, huh? Tell me what you know about being hated for trying to make it and shit that you love. Tell me what you know about losing friends cause I couldn't imagine a life without drugs. Tell me what you know about being down but unable to stop cause your head isn't safe. Tell me what you know about being cautious when everyone around you was fake. Tell me what you know about making it up regardless. Taking every hit and continue through all the hardship. Trying to find the love in the mirror when you've been heartless. Writing every song trying to get me out the darkness. Trying when I start shit, bitch it's an arson. Anyone would drive like me, getting car sick. Now I got the scale on a mic, but it's like when that blue check's on the profile is a target. Hell of a game, I feel like I'm Constantine, constantly dodging the flames. With all of them saying the no way you make it in rap and you grew up so awkward and lame. On top of the chain, the carnivore blood I got pumping through every inch of the vein. So put your head down and speak under your breath to yourself when I walk in the ring like you're praying. The fuck are you saying? I did the work to get here while the rest of you sit and complain. I see when you hate, you're mad but no you couldn't do it with less than the things that I faced. You ain't on the same wavelength, no. I've been hacking in the brains, mainframe wrong. Stop till I see the dreams take shape, so don't nobody make a fucking move till I say go. Yeah, I know the life that I'm living right now ain't as good as it gets. I don't do shit but make plays and do work, there ain't no option here if it don't manifest. Fuck anybody who gets in the way and the labels who scared of the shit we possess. Hate all you want but no you're all the ones who gon' watch what I'm doing next. Put me on the mic and I'm the realest one. Back up on the grind, there ain't no time for loss. Get me what I want and never have enough. Motherfuckers act like they want it. Why the fuck you running? I've been killing shit since 21. When you on the grind, there ain't no time for love. Got all that I want and still ain't have enough. I know that you act like you want it, then what the fuck you running from?
Yeah, been a savage before 21, chasing euphoria with the rules, sipping 211 since 11. I was Kendrick in the swimming pool. When your parents told you that your dinner's cool, I jumped off the porch without an interview. You were down to be a cool kid in school, I was truant creeping through your living room. Tool on me had some missing screws, look lonely, I've been with the bulls since 13. On the south side with Snake Lucci, had a nigga in the stew. Dope Money made my first album, hit the roots and I would just produce. Brody ended up in prison, period, I was about to catch a sentence too. Back then, wasn't talking blicks, I was buzzing off the sticks, you better dip like the Jimmers do. 50% of you niggas, they can split in two. By bullet, I was eating middle war prison food. Nigga was a stepper to a tennis shoe, and I kept the pepper for the chicken, homies stepping to my kitchen food. Full smear the medicine you niggas use, thinking that the shit is cool. I don't need help, you niggas do. Now they lie about mental illness to get some views. Iron niggas, I'm pulling up with a Drake finna shoot. Better yet, let me get a text strange, how they mimic you with you, they don't wanna get up in the booth. As far as that I'm Clark Kent, you are minuscule to a large general. Equipped with a semi, call me arson you with the arson. I'm sending you, bitch, I'm nuts, they all in this dog genitals. I remember when they brought my mom in the room, quote, with the board of mental health, I'm finna lose. Back when they said I was lame and not really cool, then I made it rapping, now they looking identical. 3 words that I live by, win and lose. Like JT, I'm who they cry rivers to. That goes for the men and women too, fuck everybody faking, I've been the truth.
Put me on the mic and I'm the realest one. Back up on the grind, there ain't no time for loss. Get me what I want and never have enough. Motherfuckers act like they want it. Why the fuck you running? I've been killing shit since 21. When you on the grind, there ain't no time for love. Got all that I want and still ain't have enough. I know that you act like you want it, then what the fuck you running from?
Not gonna see much?
I don't think so.